I used to spend all of my time watching candles, studying charts, hoping to squeeze out a tiny bit of profit from any meme coin I could get my hands on. But look at me now. In my Phantom wallet, I have got over $750,000 by using one very simple method. And if you follow this video, I will show you the simple steps that got me out of the trading game and into the deving game. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Welcome back, guys. So we are nearly ready to show you the method that I've been using to stack serious amounts of cash. But before we get into that, there's just a few things I wanted to go over just to really prove how the trading game is not the way to go. So we can take a look at any coin here, and this is a fairly typical story. We've got an initial rise, a crash, an initial rise again, and then we're probably going to lead into another crash or a rug pull. Now, if you were a trader, it'd be great to get in early, but really here is the only place you're going to make any decent money, and that's if you're lucky enough to be on your computer at the time. But if we take a look at some of these traders here, you might notice that their profit margins are really consistent, and you've got these massive kick-ups here. And the reason for that is that massive kick-up, either they've gotten incredibly lucky on a trade, or they have taken the liquidity out of a coin because they are a dev. And, you know, we can take a look at any other coin. This is another similar story. I mean, imagine trying to make money on this coin here. It would be nearly impossible. There's such a short time frame to actually get these things done. Now, that's why the trading game is not the best game to be in at the moment. It's in fact deving with a site like createcoin.fun. Now, no coding is required to use this site. That used to be a big block for a lot of people back in the day, but we don't need to code anymore. We just got to push some buttons and we can launch our own coin, and it's live and it will make money, and I will show you how to do that in just a little while, okay? But before we do that, there is something else I wanted to show you. When people used to launch coins, they would do it on the pump market. Now, pump market is all well and good, but as you can see here, the market caps aren't amazing. Some of them are pretty good. Some of them get through and they get into the tens of Ks, or on the very rarest occasions 100K or so, but most of the time you're looking at 1K max if you're lucky. Now, let's switch over to the Meteora market, and that is using the dynamic setting on Axiom here. And then you can see here, look at the market caps on these coins. 1.35 billion, 388 million, some are in the billions. Now, this, these numbers are insane, and the reason for that is because when a coin makes it on Meteora, it's got the room to grow because the market doesn't have as much shovelware in it. There is nowhere near as many shit coins constantly being produced on that market, whereas Pump is full of them. And there's loads of other benefits such as, fees and things like that. Now, let's get to launching our own coin. First thing we need to do is connect our wallet. So we're going to click connect wallet there, and then we hit the Phantom wallet, and then the Phantom wallet is connected, easy as pie. So we can take a quick look at our Phantom wallet here. I've got just over $100 inside the Phantom wallet. I recommend having about this much money. About $100 is the money you need to really get this going. And then at this point, we could make our token name. We can call it whatever we like. It doesn't really matter. We can pick a meme. We can pick an event. We can do what we want. Name it after a person, whatever. That's what you would normally do. But we're not going to do that because that requires loads of marketing and lots of effort. And we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to use this special tool that is only on createcoin.fun, which is the copy trending tool. Now, what this does, as you can see from these market caps and from the times that these guys were traded, is you are looking at some serious hot coinage, okay, that's recently been traded on. Some of these market caps are insanely huge, and we could take a great deal of advantage of that by making a copy of it, and that would mean that all the marketing and all that stuff has already been done. And we can take a look at some of these coins here. Any of these would be fine. We can pick any single one. I mean, this one here, 670K. We could copy this one here. Let's try that. Oh, okay. Network error. Never mind. Let's try again. Nope. Okay. Do you know what? Let's pick this 10K one. Let's see if that works. Hooray. Right. It works. So what's going to happen is when you try and copy a coin is you are going to get this request blocked. Now, that's a normal part of the process. Just click proceed, click confirm, and then tick the box and click confirm again. Okay. As I said, this is a normal part of the process. I have to do this every time I set this system up, and that will go through no issue. Now, here's where we need to create our liquidity pool. This is where we put some of our money down into the coin. Now, what I would do is I would usually put in around 0.2 Sol per coin. You can put a bit more in if that's what you want to do, but to be honest, you don't really need to. 0.2 will get you where you need to go. So we need to confirm that transaction there. And then once that's done, our coin will be live. So give it a moment, let it kick in. Ah, there we go. Hooray. Okay, so we are now live. So we can see there our estimated value. We can see the Sol that we've pulled already, and those those numbers will go up later on because we're going to click this lightning bolt button and that will boost our token. What this does is it boosts our token up into Dex Screener trending list, and that means that all those bots and trend chasers will see our coin first and they will buy. Cost 0.25 Sol, but we will make that money back and then some. So let's have a little quick look on Dex Screener here. All right, so we're off to a start already. We're off to the races. Let's go. So we have already got nearly 30 traders immediately. That is fantastic. So looking at these numbers, they're shooting up right away, and that is where that boost is coming in. So our coin is hot right now. We've got all these things that are building together. We've taken a coin that was really hot on pump and we've moved it over to Matora. So already there's a load of hype behind the coin. We have boosted that coin to the top of Dex Screener's trending charts. So now all those bots and all those trend chasers are looking at our coin and they're thinking of buying and selling like that instantly. Bang, bang, bang. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And that's fine because for the most part, we're going to get buyers coming in. And as long as there's more coin in than when we started, again, we only started at 0.2, it's not going to take much for us to make money, even when you consider the transaction fees and the 0.25 to boost. So looking at our liquidity, we're at 3.1k. That is incredible. So the market cap already at 5.2 thousand. That is well higher than most of the coins on pump. Okay, most of the coins barely get past 1k, and we've only been running this for a few minutes. I mean, imagine if you let this run for several days. You'd have some amazing figures if the trends like this continue. All right, so let's have a look. Our volume, we're nearly at 60 grand on the volume. We have got over 1,000 transactions, nearly 1,500. So you can run that for as long as you like, and let's have a look now at our updated figures. So our estimated value, remember we started at $14. So hopefully, there we go. Right, we're at 1.27k. Again, I have not ran this for very long, guys. We've got 18 whole Sol, which we're going to hit this minus button. We are going to extract 100% of that liquidity, and that's going to go straight into our pockets. Now, guys, when I make this money, and I do make money on these videos, if you leave a comment, a like, and subscribe, I'll put you into a prize pool where you could win half of what I make for this video. Now, remember, we started with $100 just over. Let's have a look at what we have now. Okay, and we have $1,281 because we have 10x'd in no time at all. This is the way you're going to make money from now on. Don't trade, dev.